Wow, gorgeous lavender silver pixie. She looks amazing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some epic hair transformations. So here we have the stylist cutting the hair into a bob. Wow, this bob is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a classic. He goes in and adds some tousled waves. This is beautiful. And then we see someone with a bob. And she switches things up with a little bit of a cut and some color. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we see someone with some grown out color, and she switches it up with this beautiful ombre red shade. So pretty. I love this color. As you guys know, this is definitely on our radar for trending hair colors that you can rock this fall season. Very nice transformation. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. And this is another classic bob style, and it's just below the jawline. So moving right along, we see someone with a ponytail. So the stylist cuts that ponytail right off. And another beautiful bob. Next up, we see another bob makeover. So let us know in the comments below which hairstyle from today's video is your favorite. Here's another look at that beautiful simplistic bob. Next up, we see someone with a brunette pixie style. And she switches things up by going blonde. She looks absolutely radiant. I love her pixie style as a blonde. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with a shoulder-length hair. She has a few hints of blonde sprinkled in, and looks like she cut the hair and got a nice color refresh. So for this transformation, it looks like a nice cut refresh. So the stylist is doing a mini bob for this one. It does feature some bangs going there in the front. And then we leave off today's video with that epic hair transformation that we saw in the beginning of this lavender silver colored pixie style. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all the hair ideas with me spotted within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.